Hi friends, this is Om Namah Shiva. Greetings. You are welcome to my oil gas knowledge hub called Knowledge Hub. Previously we have discussed 4 videos on WPS. This is 5th video. Let us continue. This is pipeline fit-up joint without clamp. You can say this is one pipe, this is one pipe. They join with the tag system. This tagging is called a bridge tag. Okay. This bridge tag means a same metal of the pipe, they will cut one end, small piece, and they'll put in center both sides on the piece they will weld. Why this is required bridge tag? To prevent damage on the root face of land area of the main welding joint, welding area. Okay. This is called external clamp. Pipeline joint fit up with external clamp. See, this external clamp, they fitted with the clamp. Is a pipeline, main line. The welder is doing welding. There are certain written documents. This clamp can be removed after root pass or dot pass, or root pass, or till completion of welding. It is they have to specify in the specification. So as per while fitting, they do fitting with the external clamp, and the clamp will be removed once they complete the root pass, hard pass as per the procedure, then only they can complete. It is not required to keep till completion of the welding. These are called external clamps. Manual external clamp. This is hydraulic external clamp. Mainly used in the main line. This is internal clamps. Probably they may use near the tying joints. Okay. Sorry. This clamps will be used in main line. This external clamp will be used for tying joints. Some important points for welding of pipelines. You can say these are the important points, essential variables. Gas and arc welding of butt, fillet and socket welds in carbon and alloy steels, piping used in the compression, pumping and transmission lines. Welding equipment, both gas and arc, shall be of size and type suitable for the work, shall be maintained in a condition that ensures acceptable welds, continuity of operation, safety of personnel. Arc welding equipment shall be operated within the amperage and voltage ranges given in the qualified welding procedure specification. Gas welding equipment shall be operated with the flame characteristics and tip sizes given in the qualified welding procedures specification. Equipment that does not meet this requirement shall be repaired and replaced. The welding of pipe or piping components that conforms to material and product specifications as approved drawings. Filler metal types. All filler metals and flexes shall conform to one of the following as per welding procedure specification and procedure qualification recorded. AWS 5.1, 5.2, 5.5 or 5.7, 17, 5.18, any of these things. Okay. The material to which the procedure applies shall be identified API 5L pipe, as well as material that conforms to the other product specification as per 1104 latest edition. You go through the latest edition and ensure that latest edition is available in office and site also. The ranges of specified outside diameter and specified wall thickness over which the procedure is applicable shall be identified. A sketch or sketches of the joint that shows the angle of bevel, the size of root face and the root opening or the space between abutting members, the shape and size of fillet welds shall be shown. If a backing is used, the type of shall be designated. The sizes and classification number of filler metals and flux and the minimum number of and sequence of beads shall be designated. The current and polarity shall be designated and the range of voltage and ampere for each type and size of electrode, rod or wire shall be shown. The size of orifice in the torch, each size of rod of wire shall be specified. The specification shall be designated roll-on or position welding. The specification shall be designated whether the welding is to be performed in an uphill or downhill direction. The line pipe clamp, the line-up clamp is to be internal or external, or if no clamp is required, if a clamp is used, the minimum percentage of root and bead that shall be completed before the clamp is released shall be specified. Filler metals and fluxes and inert gases shall be stored and handled to avoid damage to them and to the containers in which they are shipped, and shall be in a written work instructions document shall be established for storage of electrodes. Filler metals and inert active gases or mixture of inert or active gases. The document shall be approved by management representative. All necessary welding procedures shall be established as per APA 1104 latest edition only. Before production welding is started, a detailed welding procedure specification shall be established and qualified to demonstrate the welds with suitable mechanical properties such as strength, ductility and hardness, and soundness can be made by the procedure. The quality of the weld shall be determined by destructive testing. These procedures shall be adhered to except where a change is especially authorized by the company. The maximum time between the completion of the root bead and the start of the second bead, as well as the maximum time between the completion of second bead and the start of the other beads shall be designated and recorded. Indicate whether power tools or hand tools are to be used for cleaning purpose, grinding or both. And specify preheat post-weld heat treatment (PWH) requirement and preheat post-weld heat treatment temperatures. So every company should establish PWHD procedures. If required, they can apply that specific procedure. Specify the type of shield inert gas flow rate. The type of shielding flux shall be designated. The range for speed of the travel in inches or millimeters per minute shall be specified for each pass. If forced cooling is to be used, the specification shall be designated by the type of cooling after welding, such as forced cooling with water as well as the maximum metal temperature at which forced cooling is applied. Position. A change in position from roll to fixed or vice versa constitutes an essential variable. Wall thickness. Filler metal as per group and suffix number specified APA 1104. For any filler metals with a G suffix designation are only. a change in the manufacturer's or trade name. For any filler metals with a G suffix designator only, a change in the manufacturer's or trade name. Materials with a SMYS greater than or equal to the of the material, that material specified as per APA 5L grade. Grade 65, any change in the AWS classification of the filler metal. Electrical characteristics, AC to DC or vice versa. Specify essential variables. A welding procedure shall be re-established as a new welding procedure specification and shall be completely requalified when any of the essential variables are changed as specified in the APA 1104 or latest edition. Welding procedure, process or method of application. Base materials, SMYS less than or equal to that of the material specified as per APA 5L grade X42. Joint design, orifice diameter, orifice gas composition. For plasma arc welding, a change in orifice gas nominal composition or a change in orifice diameter. Method of cooling after welding, an increase in the maximum weld temperature prior to forced cooling. A change in the method of cooling after welding resulting in a high rate of cooling also requires requalification of the welding procedure. Thank you. Today we have completed the 5th video. Watch next video on WPS part 6 of 6. Try to understand, review all the videos together one by one. You will get a complete package of WPS. These videos are most important. The people who are interested to work in midstream oil and gas pipelines. And any doubts, if you across during all 6 videos, if you find any problem or doubt, if you want to ask any questions, queries, please do not hesitate. Write to me or contact me. I will respond to every individuals. Okay, my friends, please subscribe my channel, share my channel, view all the videos, write your valuable comments in comment box. I appreciate your inputs and all the best. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.